ritual, which is happening right now. I'm looking outside and I see this bright, beautiful full moon. If you haven't yet liked this video, I'd appreciate if you do. It'll help the algorithm. And also, if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the bonus, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is to find a standalone piece of paper, preferably, right? Because this is a ritual. So something that you can write on, preferably, and that you're okay discarding of. Giving you a little insight into what we might be doing. So go ahead and do that. And I'll give you just a minute if you have to go get something. So I want you to write down all the things you'd like to let go of. Okay. And I'm going to give us I'm intuiting 3 minutes for this. Okay. So I want you to write down all the things that you want to let go of. This is your beliefs, your fears, your habits. I don't know, shitty things that happened in your past memories that, are disempowering, or actions. Maybe there's people that you energetically need to let go of, or you feel called to. Places, right? Like I am looking to get a new home, right? So I'm very grateful for my home, and also I know that I energetically need to let it go. So what are the things you want to let go of now, especially over the last year? But what is it that you need to let go of? Go ahead and write it down. I'm going to give us 3 minutes for this. Let me put back the music and go. Write it all. If you don't write it, it doesn't get let go. Just think, write it. Write it all. What do you want to let go of? Write it all. Write it all on your piece of paper. Keep writing. Keep writing. Keep writing. What else do you want to let go of? Okay, begin to wrap up. Now, the reason that we do this during the full moon, traditionally during the full moon, we write or we reflect on the things that we don't want, that we want to release. And during the new moon, we focus on intentions and things we want to manifest in our life. So today you got both things because this was an intention setting workshop at the same time as the full moon ritual. So if you want to, you can go ahead and do the next part, which is the set the intention to let go of these things. And actually, let's just go ahead and do that. And the next part after this is to burn the piece of paper or flush it down the toilet, either one. If you want to do it now, go ahead. Or if you want to keep writing, and the full moon is actually happening, has been happening started like a few minutes ago. So now is a great time, as soon as we finish this, for you to do this, to finish this ritual. And there's other rituals. If you have any other rituals for full moon, I know people put their crystals out to charge those. What is your full moon ritual? This is the one I do and that I love to teach. And so write anything else that you can think of, and go ahead and burn it or flush it down the toilet. And why the reason I thought of flush it down the toilet is because this is a full moon in Cancer, and Cancer is a water sign. So it might actually be beneficial, if you don't want to burn it, to flush it. So let's set the intention that we are releasing all of these things that no longer serve us, that are disempowering, that are holding us back, that are keeping us small. And so then, because we're doing the intention setting today, let's set the intention to receive all the things that you wrote down in your vision. So let's just take a moment to envision that vision as though it's happening, and feel all the feelings, emotions that come with being, doing, and having all of those things in your vision. After this, I do urge you, as I said, to burn the piece of paper or flush it down the toilet. Maybe there's some other means that you can get rid of it, but those are the two that I historically use for releasing your the list of things that are holding you back. Okay, so with that, I just wanted to thank you all for being here. What has been your biggest takeaway, or maybe an insight or something that that you are ready to, to receive or manifest or do more of, to really increase your visibility and improve your business in 2022? Would love to hear in the chat. It's been wonderful. Have a wonderful full moon. I love you all, and I will see you soon. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button for notifications. Thank you.